Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Pad Neo, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down, here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Device. Now let's scroll down again and enter the version, because we have to localize the build number to activate the developer options. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about it. Alright, so let's keep tapping and activate the developer options. Now we can enter the additional settings, and at the very bottom the developer options will appear. So let's tap. Here all we have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find this automatic system updates option. We can turn it on just by tapping on the switcher, and thanks to this, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not really have to manually update your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time, so it will have a chance to apply the updates. Of course, you can turn off this option the same way, just by tapping on the switcher. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.